Southland Trailer Corp is the largest trailer manufacturing company in Canada. We are family owned and operated with a commitment to continuous improvement and providing best in-class products and services. At Southland, we take pride in the foundation we have created and instilled into our core values and mission as a company. Because of this, our value has ensured continuous growth and offered a variety of employment opportunities to City of Lethbridge. At Southland Trailers, employees can expect a wide range of benefits and perks, including an in-house cafeteria, coverall program, PPE allowance, and a flexible work week. We also offer incentive bonuses, leadership training, personal development, and competitive health insurance program, RRSP matching, and monthly social events. All employees are invited to free apprenticeship programs to expand their skill sets into different trades while fostering a sense of community and work-life balance. Our organization has been serving North America for over 40 years, and it's only the beginning. Southland Trailers, empowering people to do it better.